right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why this CPAF became the last resort for you.
No, sir, that's not the way.
Okay, then
Actually, I am still preparing for civil services exam, and I am very fond of going in uniform services also. So when I started preparing for civil services exam, I found that there is other exam where I can get entry in uniform services through Central Armed Police Force exam.
so you are not willing basically. Now
Actually,
when
I'm-
you came, you saw the opportunity, you gave the exam, and as you have got through the mains, that's why you are here.
No, sir,
You have
that-
no fascination for the army and
No, sorry, sir. Actually, that is not the real thing. I am fascinated for the uniform services.
So right from you never appeared for CDS and other things. You never appeared for ND or anything.
Sir,
So how
actually,
can I see that you have ever been interested in this?
sir, actually, when I was in 12th, I was not of that age to appear in ND exams. And later on, when I have completed my graduation,
I just want one thing. Don't you think you are just a waste of money on the government? The government has wasted so much money on you, right? Training you for ISM from ISM Dhanbad for 4 years. They have subsidized a lot many things. They have trained you. Now you are a skilled person and you are moving after money and power for. Why have you gone there? You should have left that earlier. You should not have done your ISM degree.
sir, actually, when I was in 12th class, I was having only alternative to appear for IIT exam.
Okay.
So I have appeared in IIT exam. So I have cleared that.
Now tell me, what is the use of your degree in our army?
Sir, since I have completed my graduation in computer science and engineering, so I have quite well knowledge of.
Computer science, ISM Dhanbad is related to mining.
Yes, sir.
Then
But I.
computer science there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are running full-fledged courses or what?
Yes, sir.
All the branches.
They are running all the branches.
Now they are giving all the branches.
Yes, sir.
Especially they were earlier only they were with the mines.
Sir,
for
actually, when they were established, then they were of mining.
mines. No,
But-
because even I appeared for it. That's why I missed it by 2 months. So I couldn't
Okay, sir.
Right. So, anyways. So, my question still persists there,
Yes, sir.
and my question is very clear.
Yes, sir.
That what is the use of your degree to us?
Sir, actually, I have knowledge in technology,
Okay.
and if we see the future prospects, then the threats are really emerging in cyber domain, and I would be able to better placed to handle the cyber crimes.
Okay.
And since we are adopting modern technologies, and the weapons are also modernizing, and I will be better able to optimally use the technologies, the equipments, and whatever be the requirements in the future, I would be.
got it. I got it. You will prove an asset to us.
Yes,
right,
sir.
In that case. So very good. But the thing is, the day after tomorrow, as for the continuously 4 years, you have been appearing for the civil services.
Yes, sir.
So obviously that fascination is hard to die. So even if you join CAPF, you will continue with civil services. And the day you get selected, you will leave our job, or rather kick our job and will go. Right? So in that case, why should we invest in you?
Sir, actually, that is not that I will leave the job. Sir, actually, UPSC is providing some alternative, and if someone find better alternative, I would be fascinated in Indian police services when I will appear in civil services. And actually, I am a person who is very well able to in public dealings.
Okay.
So, if I got a chance to serve in Indian police services,
Army doesn't have public dealings as such.
sir, actually the Central Armed Police Force, they are they are in public dealings like CISF. They are
Do
dealing
you
with
know the
public.
meaning of public dealing? Do
Sir?
we deal with public?
Sir, actually handling the public. That is public.
Are we handling the public? If we start handling public, then what is the difference between the police and the army?
Sir, actually, if we see the Central Armed Police Force also conducts civic action programs in the border communities. Then they
Right?
create.
So we have confined interaction, and that too,
With
you know, curbing the national threats.
Okay.
This is our main area, right?
Yes.
So this is not a public dealing. You are not SDM or SP that you have to meet with the people and sign their file and everything.
Okay,
You
sir.
are not so. Do we do that?
No, sir. Actually, we
This is
manage
public
our.
dealing.
Sir, actually we manage our corpses. We are company commander. Then we will manage the our jawans, and we will coordinate with the state police forces or Indian Army Defence Services to deal with the situations of like riot control and crowd control.
Okay. Right. So. When was this ISM then was established?
Sir, in 1926.
What was its previous name?
Sir, Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad.
So was it Indian School of Mines in the beginning?
Yes, sir.
In 1926 it was Indian School of Mines.
Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad.
Was it that? Or Imperial School of Mines?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall.
Was it Indian School of Mines or Imperial School of Mines?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall the exact name. Actually, it was established on the lines of Royal School of Mines in London.
Yes. And that's why it was called Imperial School of Mines first of all.
Okay.
Then we later changed it to Indian School of Mines.
No, sir, I will keep reminding.
Clear?
Yes. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Now, your father is a headmaster, right?
Yes, sir. He is retired now. He is retired.
Yes, he has retired now, right? Okay. Now, what's your hobby, by the way?
So my hobby is poem writing and playing cricket.
Poem writing and
Yes, sir.
what?
Playing cricket.
Poem writing. Okay. Can you tell me one of the poems that you have written?
Okay, sir. Actually, I am writing on 2 or 3 topics.
Okay.
Uh,
What
ex-
was the favorite one?
sir, I write on social issues.
You write on social issues. Okay. Now, social issues, what you have written upon?
Sir, I have written for the women.
Women's. Okay. What? women you
The
have,
girls department. Actually, I have written in 2017, I think. The poem was Nanni Kali. Title was Nanni Kali, and it was
So, Nani Kali is about the women or girls?
girls.
Okay.
It's about girls, adolescent girls.
Okay.
Sir, it was lines like with rhymes are like नन्ही सी कली घर में खिली न कोई मुस्काया दिन प्रतिदिन हो गई बड़ी न किसी ने उसे खिलाया उस नरमाई सी कली ने देखो क्या मायूस बचपन पाया आज उस कली ने देखो जग है जगमगाया. सर, एक्चुअली दिस पोएम वाज रिटन व्हेन द वीमेन won Olympic bronze medal. Our athlete, actually Mary Kom, won the bronze medal that time, so I have written that time. And after that the lines are अंतरिक्ष का रहस्य खोल राजनीति में सबको हराया गायन नृत्य जैसी कला कर सबको पीछे भगाया माँ का स्थान पाकर दुनिया का सर्वोच्च स्थान पाया आज इन कलियों ने देखो जग में परचम लहराया. एंड देन मुद्रित रहनों ने इनके जो है सपना सजाया हो गया पूर्ण तो देखो हर्षो उल्लास छाया ना मिटने दो इस कली की काया इन्हीं से होगा मन भावन इस संसार की छाया. दैट वाज माय पॉइंट.
Okay. Other hobby is cricket.
Playing cricket, yes.
Right. What is switch hit?
So actually a switch hit is the hitting a ball when if you are a right-hander batsman and if you are hitting as a left-hander batsman, then that will be called a switch hit.
What is handle the ball?
Handle the ball. So I am not knowing exactly.
Handle the ball out decision. How a batsman get out handling the ball.
So I am not knowing the exact. If I could guess if you allow.
Okay. Now, what is the minimum over required for Duckworth Lewis to be called a game, a fair game?
Duckworth, sir, actually please repeat. I can't understand.
Duckworth-Lewis method, you know.
Yes, sir.
So as per the Duckworth-Lewis method, to be called a game, a fair game, official game, what is the requirement of minimum overs to be bowled?
Sorry, sir. I'm not knowing that.
Okay. Now, what is a beamer?
Sir,
What
sorry.
is a beamer?
Beamer. Sir, it is a bounce ball.
Bounce ball is beamer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If we hit the deck hard, then the ball
It's
goes.
called beamer.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I think so. I'm not so confident about that.
When the ball is complete full toss on your face above the waist height, that is called beamer.
Okay, sir.
And when the ball bounces, that is called a bouncer. This is the difference.
Okay, sir.
Without hitting a deck, when someone throw directly, that's why such balls are banned,
Yes, sir.
not to be bowled, because the person will get
Maybe
injured,
get injured.
right?
Yes,
And
sir.
obviously, straight away that's a no ball.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me? So even your cricket knowledge is not up to the mark here.
Actually, I'm not knowing these things.
You said you play cricket, that's why I asked all the questions from your playing aspect, nahin?
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir, I'm playing cricket regularly, but I'm not knowing these. I
okay,
know.
what is the mid-on position? Like two stumps are here. Here is the batsman.
Yes, sir.
Right-handed batsman is there.
Right
Now
hand.
tell me the mid-on position.
So actually, this is batsman. So then mid-on position would be on the right side of that bowler, in the state.
The right side of the bowler, yeah,
Bowler.
this side.
This, yes, sir, that side. And this side mid-off and that side mid-on.
This side mid-off.
This side mid-off and that side mid-on.
Okay. And what would be square leg position?
Square leg.
What is the difference square leg and leg slip?
Leg slip and square leg. So that would be, I think, between the mid wicket and the leg gully. The position between leg gully and mid wicket. The point at the shortest distance, actually in the just in the vicinity of the pitch.
You haven't answered properly even the mid wicket one. Mid wicket will be this position.
Between mid on and
Between mid on
and
and this one, right?
Leg point.
And in the
extra cover.
this side, this will be cover.
Cover and extra
deeper
cover.
will be extra,
Extra
cover.
cover. Yes.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So this is the fielding position we are talking about. And same applies with when we say it is leg gully is the obviously towards our leg side
Yes, sir.
on a shorter distance, and long leg is
On the boundary.
on greater distance
Yes.
near the boundary. It's long leg, right? And
Excellent.
to just long leg, if you move that fielder just about
Mid wicket.
4 or 5 feet, then it become fine leg.
Fine leg.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Long leg and then fine leg.
Long leg and fine leg, this is the difference.
Yes.
So have you played cricket on a certain level or not?
So I have played district tournaments.
Okay, even I have played, that's why I am telling. Right. So, okay. Let's talk about certain economic questions now. Right.
Okay, sir.
You must be good in economics.
So I think so.
You are right. Tell me what is CRAR?
Sir, capital reserve adequacy ratio.
What is that?
Sir, it is the ratio of the capital.
When was this concept introduced?
Sir, this was introduced in Basel second norms.
What?
Basel second norms.
It is Basel second now. What was the date of its introduction?
Sir, I don't remember exactly, but I think around 2003 or 2004.
Okay. What is CRAR basically?
Sir, actually it is a ratio of the capital held by the in the tier 1 and tier 2 capital hold by the bank ratio with the total risk-weighted assets of that bank.
Okay. So it's the ratio of the capital kept and the risk that could be covered.
That could be
right?
covered,
So
yes.
this is CRA. Now, why is it used by the RBI? Why it has been introduced by the RBI? When we already had CRR, why we needed CRA?
Sir, actually to handle the emergency situations. So when the Lehman Brothers failed in USA, actually that was Basel III norms. Sir, actually CRR, so that capital reserve ratio was not efficient enough to handle the situations. So they have increased the limit to which the capital should be reserved in order to handle the situation. Actually, in 1997, Asian financial crisis was there, and
Are you sure? You are completely confused.
I can't recall actually now.
Okay. Now let's talk about science and tech, your part.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, what is Li-Fi?
So actually, it is a transfer of data using the light. Light fidelity is its full form.
So, how come it is better than Wi-Fi? And
Sir,
what is the basic change in the mechanism?
sir, it uses the photon in data transfer,
Okay.
while the Wi-Fi uses radio waves,
Radio waves. Okay. That's good.
and
Absolutely
it will increase the data transfer speed.
Hmm.
And the Li-Fi will use the line of sight
So,
communication.
how it will increase?
Sir, it will travel at the speed of light, and that is
Okay.
greater than radio waves speed. And it
And
will.
one more issue will be there.
So actually, Li-Fi will face a line of sight communication problem. The objects must be in the line of sight to transfer data.
One more thing is there. The data loss will be minimized
Yes, sir.
in life.
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Obviously, radio waves will obviously get obstructed.
They will
and
get-
at the curbs and everywhere.
They will get interference problem.
Exactly. Interference will occur, na?
Yes, sir.
Because radioactive waves are a sort of waves, right?
Mechanical wave.
Magnetic waves. So the problem of interference will occur, and that won't occur where in the case
In the
of-
phone. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that was the thing that I wanted to know. Now, you must be good in polity as well.
I think I am okay.
Okay. Now, in case of tie in presidential election,
Presidential election.
right? What is the method adopted to declare the winner?
So actually, it is the
If you know it, then only speak. If you don't know, straight away say sorry, sir.
okay, sir. Sir, the presidential winner will be declared winner only after a college will decide. The majority of the college will decide who is the winner.
Okay. Have you heard my question?
Yes, sir.
Is this the answer of my question?
Sorry, sir. I am knowing only this one. Yes, sir.
I am going to repeat the question once again, so there should be no confusion at all.
Okay,
My
sir.
question is, suppose the presidential election is taking place. I and you and he, all three have participated in this election.
Oh.
Now, both of us have the same number of first preference vote there. Now, who is going to be the president or win the election?
Okay, sorry,
So,
sir.
what is the process being adopted to know the winner?
So the single transferable vote system.
It is always there.
Sir, the person who have got the last number of first choices,
Least number.
Last number. Okay.
Least number of first
First choice.
preference vote.
then the
What is done?
then the choices on its second number, they will be transferred to the others.
Others means if all are getting equal, then
The second choice will be transferred to the first preference. The number of persons who are getting first preference equal number of first preference, then whoever is getting the second preference in that on that candidate ballot, then he will be declared winner.
Simple is his first least number of votes a person get, he will be omitted from the race.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now his second preference
Yes, sir.
vote will be transferred to the remaining one,
Yes, sir.
right? So if A has got 20 as the second preference, right?
Yes, sir.
So 20 will go to A and this will make the winner. Are you getting me?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the process that is adopted. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now, one more question I would like to ask you. Right, so you must be good in international relation.
Yes, sir. I know.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
What is the recent dispute that we had with Bhutan?
With Bhutan.
It was in news as well. It is surprising because Bhutan has always been our friendly nation. But
Yes, sir.
we had some rows and it was the thing rocked in the parliament as well. So what was that?
Sorry, sir. I am unable
It
to.
was the stoppage of the river water for Bengal,
Yes, sir.
right? So people started protesting it,
Yes.
right? So this was the thing. Now, what kind of recently India has given something to Myanmar, and Indian-Myanmar relation is scaling up. Now, what was that thing that has been given to Myanmar right now?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Now, what is SIA? SAI, sorry, not SIA. A Special Application Internet.
For internet. So actually, it has been developed recently
That's
for
right.
the messaging, for the secured messaging for the army personnel or
What is
the.
the parallel of SAI?
Sir-
Do we have any parallel of SAI?
Sir, actually, these WhatsApp messaging app and all these Telegram apps.
So why we required SAI?
So for the data that is available on these websites, so that will be available to the government, our government, and the encryption, decryption, and the requirement whenever we require the data, then it will be available to the government.
Okay. Now why we need a postal index number?
To send the post to the various different address,
Why we need this?
to clearly identify a region.
So when the system started?
So I don't know the date, but actually postal system was started in 1853 by Lord Dalhousie.
Postal system or telegraph system?
Telegraph Act was started. Telegraph Act was
See,
passed
the
and
postal system has there always been there, right? Only the medium of post is what? Taking a
Send
letter to Kabutar ja was always there, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's not a new thing. Even the Delhi Sultans and all have worked on this one.
yes, sir, they
right?
were taking messages.
Postal, and especially Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. He was the epitome of postal system in the Delhi Sultanate period. Right. So obviously a lot many things have already been done. So it was basically the telegraph thing that was a new addition to it.
Right.
And that's why from there the post and telegraph department were clubbed together. So that came in existence in 1853 when we clearly talk about the things.
Okay, sir.
Right, so yes. So your first preference is CISF, right?
Yes,
Why?
sir. Sir, CI.
Because it's safer than BSF and other.
No, sir, that is not. Actually, it is also provided deployment in Naxal areas where they will guard the PSUs. And actually, they are not a border.
Not much. Even CRPF are doing that.
Yes, sir.
Right. So CISF are recruited to very lesser extent in such regions.
Sir, actually they provide security in any region, in where the economic establishments or airports.
So you are more inclined towards providing security economic rather than, being a braveheart and facing the bullet on the border.
Sir, anyone can face bullet.
Okay, but anyone can't, provide security to the industrial establishment.
Sir, actually, if I would be selected in any of the forces, there is always a 24/7 requirement of being alert.
Okay.
And nowadays, terrorists are attacking economic establishment, like we have seen in Mumbai attack also, and the maritime security ports are being attacked. So there is no less
Now,
danger.
what is the theme of Sashastra Seema Bal?
Sashastra Seema Bal. So security, service, security, and brotherhood.
And what about your CISF?
So protection and security.
And what about Indo-Tibetan Border Police?
So Shaurya, Dृढ़ता and Karmanistha.
BSF?
So duty unto death.
CRPF?
Protection and security and loyalty.
This is it. Okay. You write poems, right? For writing poem.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the different forms of Hindi poetry?
Okay, sir. So poem can be Tukant Kavita and Atukant Kavita. Yeah, this if they are
I'm asking on the form of structure, poetic structure.
sir, like Doha and Chopai. So actually a poem consists of three parts, Sthai, Antara and Samapti. And the Antara can take form of various kinds, like Doha, where couplet is found with a meter of 11 and 13, and Chopai of 4 lines, and
What is the meter of that?
so Chopai, I don't remember exactly. Sir, actually I am not well versed with the literary tradition. I am writing poems based on some observations and situations I face, and whatever the emotions I feel.
It's not necessary, right? So, like even we are playing gully cricket,
Yes, sir.
that doesn't mean we should not know the rules of cricket.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So this is the situation. So it's not an excuse that you don't know this, right? You should, because obviously question will be asked in your interview based on this one, huh?
Yes, sir. I will read that.
Right? So who is your favorite poet, by the way?
Sir, I have not read much, but
Who are the authors that you have read? Because even I am interested in poem and poetry.
Okay, sir.
That's why
So nowadays I am listening to Kumar Vishwas.
everyone does that.
Okay, sir. Sir, and I have read poems of Ramdhari Singh Dinkar,
So which one was that?
Rasmi Rathi.
The only one?
Yes, sir. I have read 2 or 3 times Rasmi Rathi.
What else? He had many creations, man.
Yes, sir.
Rasmi Rathi is just a single one.
Yes, sir. He has written Renuka, Urvasi also. I have not read that.
Okay. What else you have read?
Sir, Dushyant Kumar poetry.
Dushyant Kumar.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am fond of Dushyant Kumar.
Which is a Hindi literature magazine that is in circulation even right now. So the person who loves poetry and everything, they go for that, they vouch for that magazine. It's the only magazine that we have. Per month it's published.
I am not knowing, sir.
Its name is Hans.
Hans publication.
Not Hans publication, the magazine
Magazine.
is Hans.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
And it is from Allahabad. It is published from Allahabad. And it's very famous among the Hindi literature persons. Every time if your poetry get published in Hans magazine, it's something of great renunciation.
Sir, I will go for
Right,
that.
so this is mine was published 8 years ago.
Congratulations.
So that's why.
I'll go for that in future.
So if you are interested, go through that.
Yes, I will surely go for that.
Yes, okay. Rest is fine. Rest of the things are okay. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm going to give you feedback. Right. Basically, if sir couldn't ask the questions, I have asked the things.
Yes, sir.
Because he has to give bites in GTV right now.
Okay, sir.
He is defense expert, so he was giving bites there. That's why he went there, right?
Okay, sir, no problem.
So I have covered his quota as well, so don't worry. So just give me 2 minutes and I'm going to give you my feedback. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any issues?
No, sir.
Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
And come.
Should I go outside?
Ah,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay.